Hi, wouldn't you love having an Italian friend? Well, one of the best ways to do it is to hosting an Italian exchange student. Well, my name is Vanessa. I'm from Rome, Italy, and currently I'm an exchange student in Colorado, USA. And in this video, I'm going to explain you and tell you some reasons why I think you will love hosting an Italian exchange student. So the first reason why Americans should host Italian exchange students is because we're very friendly and sociable. In fact, we like getting to know new people and making new friends, and we also try to include everyone. Okay, the second reason is because we're very attached and we try to create very strong bonds with people that we love, of course. For example, I'm very happy about the relationship that I have with my host family because I've always tried to see them as my real parents, and right now I feel like they're my second family, and I'm very grateful for this relationship. Another reason why I think Americans should host Italian exchange students in general is because we have a lot of things to teach them. We're very different, of course, but I think we can teach them our culture and our traditions because sometimes they don't see or they don't do things that we do and for us are normal, such as like Christmas traditions or celebrations in general. So yes, I think we can teach them a little bit of our culture and of our lifestyle. And this is my host mom. Her name is Talita Hardwick, and she's gonna tell us about Italian.
I love this. Is my first time hosting an Italian exchange student, and the first time actually hosting a girl. Italians, they're very passionate about everything they do, from music, from sport, from cooking. And I absolutely loved the fact that Americans have so many misconceptions about Italian cuisine. One, Alfredo pasta does not exist,
No.
at all, and that they love. I learned this year how to cook many dishes: ragu, lentils, gnocchi, and how to make tomato sauce the Italian way through her grandparents and her dad. And I absolutely adore the fact that I'm from Brazil originally, and I love soccer like any Brazilian would, and Italians also love soccer, so it's been a really nice experience to talk to her family about sport.
Now I'm gonna let my host dad Justin talk.
Vanessa has been great. It's been a great experience having her here. We've really enjoyed it. And she taught me that chicken Alfredo is not Italian. So I learned that from her.
This is my brother Dylan.
I like having Vanessa as my Italian sister because she creates some really good food.
So what are you waiting for? If you wanna host an Italian exchange student, just click the link in the description below, and I hope my information have been helpful. Thank you. Ciao.